In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in WP Travel Engine for the year 25. Changing the currency in WP Travel Engine can be a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through every step to ensure you can do this effortlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you can make changes to your WP Travel Engine settings. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to your WP Travel Engine settings. To do this, look for the WP Travel Engine option in the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Hover over it, or click to expand the menu, and then click on Settings. This is where you'll be making your changes. Now that you're in the settings, you'll want to click on the General tab. It's usually one of the first tabs you'll see, and it contains the basic settings for your WP Travel Engine. In this section, you can find options related to general configurations, including the currency settings. Within the general settings, you will see an option labeled Currency. This is the part we're particularly interested in. Click on this option to open the currency settings, where you can select the currency that best fits your business or regional requirements. Selecting the right currency is crucial, as it impacts how prices are displayed and how transactions are processed. Now, within the currency option, you'll find a drop-down list. This drop-down is filled with a variety of currencies you can choose from. Look through the list and find the currency you wish to set for your travel engine. Once you've found it, click to select your desired currency. This will ensure that all prices within your WP Travel Engine are displayed in this currency. Finally, after selecting your preferred currency, it's important to save your changes. Navigating away without saving will mean all your efforts go to waste. So to avoid that, find the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click it. This ensures that the system registers your new settings. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency in WP Travel Engine. Remember that these changes might take a moment to reflect across your website, so give it a little time to update. I hope this guide was useful and helped you understand each step clearly. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Have a great day changing currencies, and see you in the next video.